Hey everyone! Welcome back to Young Founders Club. If you love traveling and have dreamed of turning that passion into a profitable business, you're in the right place. Today, we'll be discussing the 8 Steps Guide to how you can start your own travel and tour agency business. We'll walk you through all the essential steps, the tools you'll need, and a few tips that can help you kickstart this journey. Ready to turn your passion for travel into profit? Let's get started. Step 1. Conduct market research. First things first, do your market research. You need to decide what type of travel agency you want to run, whether it's luxury travel, adventure tours, corporate travel, or family vacations. Knowing your niche is crucial. Start by using Google Trends to analyze what travelers are searching for and tools like SurveyMonkey to get feedback from potential customers. This will help you understand what's missing in the market and how you can fill that gap. Step 2. Create a solid business plan. Next up, you'll need a business plan. This will outline your business goals, services, target market, and financial projections. Ask yourself, how will you make money? Will you earn through commissions, booking fees, or service packages? Use a tool like LivePlan to create a professional business plan with ease. Be sure to factor in your startup costs, marketing budget, and what revenue you expect in the first year. Step 3. Register your business and get licensed. Once your plan is set, it's time to get legal. Register your business and obtain the necessary licenses. Depending on where you're located, you may need a seller of travel license or a basic business license. You can simplify this process with LegalZoom, which can handle all the paperwork and filing for you. Make sure your business structure is in place, whether it's an LLC, sole proprietorship, or corporation. Step 4. Build your travel network. To succeed in the travel industry, your network is essential. Build relationships with airlines, hotels, local tour operators, and activity providers. Your partnerships will give you access to better rates and more travel options for your clients. You can attend travel expos and join organizations like ASTA, American Society of Travel Advisors, to grow your network. Step 5. Create an online presence. Today, your online presence is key. Build a professional website that highlights your services, offers travel packages, and allows customers to book directly. For website creation, platforms like WordPress or Wix are easy to use, and they offer beautiful templates for travel agencies. Additionally, engage your audience on social media platforms like Instagram and Facebook to showcase destinations and promote offers. Use tools like Hootsuite to schedule posts and track your engagement. Step 6. Offer value-added services. To stand out from competitors, offer value-added services such as personalized itineraries, travel insurance, or VIP airport transfers. Tools like Viator can help you curate custom tours and experiences for your clients. You can also partner with travel insurance providers like Allianz Travel to offer coverage, ensuring peace of mind for your clients. Step 7. Partner with a host agency, optional. If you're new to the industry, partnering with a host agency might be a good idea. Host agencies can provide you with back-end support, access to supplier networks, and training. This allows you to focus on building your clientele while relying on their expertise for more technical aspects of booking and managing trips. Websites like hostagencyreviews.com can help you find the right fit. Step 8. Launch and market your business. Now that you're set up, it's time to launch. Leverage digital marketing to promote your services. Run targeted ads on Google Ads or social media platforms. You can also use MailChimp for email marketing campaigns to keep potential clients informed about travel deals and promotions. Create blog content or vlogs to share travel tips, which will boost your SEO and bring organic traffic to your website. And there you have it, the step-by-step guide to starting your own travel and tour agency business. From market research to building your network, and from creating an online presence to offering value-added services, you now have everything you need to get started. Check the links in the description for tools and resources to help you along the way. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips on starting your own business. Thanks for watching.